close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. Another wonderful wig review. And this wig that I am wearing right now, hold on, let me adjust that. There we go. This wig that I have on right now is coming from the infamous Vanessa Wig Company. That's right, me and Vanessa are rocking some things right now, and Vanessa is coming up in the world. Let me just throw that out there because they already make two of my favorite wigs, and this one has just now been inducted into the Favorites Hall of Fame. This is the infamous Cabra wig, and this is actually has a lace parting. You actually get this really nice braid that's going on at the top with this cute little bun. This wig is also heat resistant. I believe it can go up to 400 degrees, if I'm correct. I did get mine in the color number 1. And I did get this one at my job, but unfortunately, I am going to let you guys know before you run down to Hey Beauty. We are fully sold out of this unit, but I will leave in the description box of different places that do carry this unit. So let's get into this badass review on this cutie. So the one reason why I love this wig is it's the length of the unit that makes me love it. It's very lightweight. The texture is like a silky yaki texture, so it is pretty silky, but it also has a texture of that yaki texture, like a hint of coarseness. Also, this unit does have 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, along with the adjustable straps. Also, it's very lightweight, very breathable with no issues. I like it. She's a cute summertime unit. Like I'm here for her. She's a cute summertime, I'm gonna say fall, winter, you know, anytime that you want to wear a wig that's real cute and it's off your head, where you can actually, like, you know, still be cute and lay back, chill. Like, this is date night hair. Like, I think that's what I'm gonna say. This is date night hair. You know what? I'm so confused. I don't know what wig I want to wear this weekend, but I don't know. It may be her. I don't know. Kind of like her. Now, this is the one thing that was a negative for me, but I do know how to make negatives into a positive. There's no baby hair on this unit, so what you will have to do, like, I still have a cap on, but what you will have to do is kind of like pre-make your baby hair and then lay it on there. That way you'll actually get the full effect of having like real, like, full edges if you utilize your own baby hair. This braid can be taken down, but I love the way the braid looks where I don't want to take it down, so I'm probably going to leave mine up in how it is, so there's no issue on that end. Other than that, this wig is a beautiful unit. I would definitely purchase this one again. Like I said before, we are sold out of this unit at Hey Beauty, but as always, I will find other ways for you guys to purchase this cutie. So if this video was to you guys liking and it was highly informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,